Self-confidence and self-I is different. Self-confidence is when you've done something compassionately and well and successful, and you share that with others with great patience. That's self-confidence. Self-grasping, or I, me, is you want things your way. When things are not your way, you assert yourself to the point of being harmful to others. So, when you have a strong, wrong sense of grasping, you become stubborn. Or you become angry. Or you become uncaring. Selfishness doesn't come from one lifetime, it's many lifetimes. And then there are people who just say, you know what, I couldn't deal with it. Or there are just people who deal with everything, they're neurotic. They want to control everything. And then there are people who use their influence and power to threaten you to do it their way. And then there are people who have nothing, who have no power, no influence, nothing. And they just show a lot of anger. Why? All of those emotions and more all stem back to the self-cherishing mind, where I, me, myself must win. And let me make a differentiation again. This is not self-confidence. Self-confidence is allowing others space and to win and to nurture and to help and to love and to let them do things and to let them be skillfully change them. And you're confident about it, and you're happy about it, and you accept them. That's self-confidence. But asserting your way in a non-professional manner, just for the sake of it, is because you're afraid of losing what you're comfortable with, the way you grew up. So hence all those from the self-grasping mind.